Hey, check it out. Got a sticker from a Can-Am Renegade. No, not that one. But look, we put a wrap on it. 5 years old. What do you think? Plastics are faded. Broken spot where the shock came through the fender. Probably took us maybe a couple hours to put it on. Went on pretty smooth. I recommend if you get one to do it in the sun. Definitely helps to work the plastic or work the vinyl. Seems to be a pretty stout material too. How's it gonna hold up against sticks and pressure washing and stuff? I don't know, but we'll find out.
Hey, but look, it's waterproof too.
Yep. Oh my God, he wasted beer. Say, it looks pretty good.